Hello guys, what's up? My name is Xiao. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Usually, because today is Monday, usually I post my art videos, but that's not gonna happen for this week. I'm actually in the middle of the process of this one. It's not finished, so it'll probably have to wait till Thursday. So for today's video, it's actually going to be a hack video. I'm going to be doing a frying pan hack video. So to see how I do that, keep on watching. I have this dirty pan, and instead of like trying really hard to scrub it to wash it, here's what I do. I'm going to take it to the sink. It's a little soap, and then just a little bit of water. Okay, and then put it back on the stove. And then I'm going to turn the stove on very low and just let it cook. Let the heat will like get all of this off for like really low setting. So I'm going to wait. Set the stand timer for 10 minutes. Alright, then while we're waiting, I'm going to eat this yummy little food here. This is rice, chicken, spinach, and hot sauce all mixed together. Timer is going off. I'm gonna turn it off. I'm thinking I'm gonna cook it for a little longer. Actually 30 minutes, that more residue off. This way with the timer, you won't forget and leave the stove on. It'll have a reminder. So yeah, 30 more minutes, here we go. Alright guys, it's been over 30 minutes. But I had to go somewhere, so I'm going to turn off the stove. Go to the bus stop, gotta catch a train, gotta walk a little bit. My husband's going to compete, so I'm going to go see him do that. And then when we come back, we can continue with this tutorial hack. Yeah! Alright guys, we are back. It's actually been several days since this. After the fights, we came home. My husband and I, we came home. We slept. I slept like till the night, and then the next day we went to church. We had a picnic with the gym, and then had to go to work for like 4 days. It's Thursday now. So yeah, we're back at this hack with a big long break, but we're back. So here we go. Let's keep going. Alright, as you can see, got the residue still here. So once I get some hot water and some soap and just scrub it really, it will be easier, a lot easier than last time, than not scrubbing at all. So it's pretty easy, a lot easier to scrub. See how it came off? It came right off because when you do that, it's really nice. Set this over here to dry. Alright guys, I know that was a really bumpy ride for that frying hack, because I had to do this, I had to do that in the middle of the hack, but we got through it, so that was good. I hope you guys learned something with that, and that you guys actually tried it and it actually helped you. And if you did try it, you can let me know what your thoughts are on that, and I'd love to see your feedback on that. And Thursday I'll be posting the finished video of this one. Do you guys know who this is? You will have to see about who this will be Thursday to see who I'll be. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to my next videos. Thanks.